these programs are, one is Modi ji is completing 7 years today of his prime ministership and of his government. In lieu of that, we are having functions all over the constituency, and at the same time we are also celebrating Goa Statehood Day. Now we started the vaccination. We started this morning with this program with vaccination for all the old people, as you have seen in the home for the aged in Bagmalo. More than 40 people were vaccinated. Another 40 are to be vaccinated here. So about 80 people are being vaccinated today, because we want that majority of the population should be covered by the vaccination. Then in the panchayat, we felicitated the cyclone warriors as well as some of them COVID warriors, because it is the people who have come forward, the youth who have come forward, help to cut the trees, help to clear the roads, help to restore electricity by moving all the fallen poles, removing them, removing the trees. So I thought we must recognize this good work done by this band of new social workers, the youth who came forward, other people as well who came forward, and we gave them certificate of appreciation along with some other things, so that as a token of the love from the other people, so that they feel spurred to reach out to people any other time, not only in times of difficulty but even in normal times.